In the cool of the evening, on a crisp December night, they found her in an alley with skin all ghostly white. She wore a turquoise evening gown. Her shoes were tan and dull, and bright red roses bloomed from her head where the bullets split her skull. Her eyes were blue and empty, where once a soul had been. Her lips were locked in vicious smile, a haunting rictus grin. Her nails were cracked and broken, her fingers stained with blood, and color had all but fled from her, like beasts before a flood. And to her breast was pinned a note from the psychopath that broke her. Come out and play, my batty chum. Love, your pal, the Joker.